We've got new tools from Milwaukee, Harbor Freight, and RYOBI.
We've got stick screwdrivers, crazy flashlights, a stump ton of air dusters, and for some reason, a man barreling down a hill in a pile of Makita Mack Track.
Plus another platinum tool deal from Ohio Power Tool. This is the Tool Show. Welcome back, tool fans. Harbor Freight just announced a massive new impact wrench, and it comes in just about whatever color you want. This is the new Earthquake XT 1/2-inch composite air impact wrench. It delivers a pounding 1,200 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. It has a powerful twin hammer impact mechanism for extreme torque with less vibration, one-handed push-button forward-reverse with 3-speed rear dial regulator, an ultra-rugged rubber overmold, and lightweight composite housing. This actually hit stores a few weeks ago, but it's already sold out in our area. Bundle that info with the fact that it already has 994 reviews with a 90% recommendation rate, and I'd say this one's worth a look. When you find it, it'll cost you $129.99.
RYOBI has a new stapler for their ONE+ HP line. This is the RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ HP brushless 18-gauge narrow crown stapler. They say it delivers 30% faster driving and the ability to drive up to 1,900 staples on a single charge, although they don't tell us which battery they got that measurement with. It's powered by their AirStrike technology, which means no compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges needed. It can handle staples from 3/8 inch to 1.5 and can be switched between sequential and contact actuation modes. The adjustment dial regulates air pressure speed, and a tool-free depth of drive adjustment helps protect your work surfaces. It will be available in April for $219 bare.
RYOBI is also getting us ready for spring, just as half the country is buried in snow. Appreciate the initiative, RYOBI. This is the all-new RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ pool vacuum. Perfect for your pool, hot tub, or spa. It's designed to pick up sand, dirt, leaves, and more. It's water resistant up to 13 feet with an IPX8 rating. It boasts 13 gallons per minute of suction, has a wide inlet for large debris, and a clear floor head for fine debris, a dual filtration system, and a large 1.7-liter tank capacity. It's even RYOBI Link compatible, so you can hang it right on your garage wall. It's coming in March for $149 bare or $179 in a 2-amp-hour kit. A dash cam is a vital device for your vehicle, capturing high-resolution video footage of everything that happens on the road. Whether you're driving through scenic routes or navigating the daily commute, it records crucial evidence in case of accidents or unexpected incidents, offering peace of mind and invaluable protection. And that's why I'm showing you this. This is the REDTIGER F77 dash cam. It's a dual 4K camera system with both front and rear 16-megapixel Sony sensors. It's high-res, high frame rate, and can clearly capture license plates in the day or at night thanks to its Starvis 2 night vision technology and HDR. It records to its 128 gig built-in eMMC storage that features a huge lifespan, faster transfer speeds, and it's far more likely to survive a serious collision than SD cards. You can easily access your footage using its fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and the REDTIGER app to quickly download 4K recordings to your phone. Or you can just use a micro SD card as well. Capturing events is easy too. It has built-in G sensor that will automatically record when it detects a collision or sudden motion when your vehicle's parked. Or while driving, you can use your voice commands like take a picture or lock the video. All in all, it'll record 5 hours of high-resolution 4K footage. And having that security in our own car has meant a lot more to us than we expected. I will never have a vehicle without a dash cam again. You can get your own REDTIGER F77 dashcam system through the link in the description and have peace of mind whenever you hit the road or park your car.
Milwaukee has a few new tools for us this week, starting with the all-new M18 pole articulating hedge trimmer. We first got a look at this new tool at Pipeline, and it's finally arriving next month. It has a 24-inch blade with a 1-inch blade gap. There's a 5-position rotating handle and a 13-position articulating cutting head with 270 degrees of rotation. It has a total tool length of 87 inches, and when it arrives next month, you'll be able to pick one up bare for $499 or in a kit with a Forge XC 8.0 battery, rapid charger, blade sheath, and shoulder strap for $679.
Milwaukee didn't forget our plumbers this week, mainly because they're at the WET Show, where they announced this. That is the all-new M12 75-foot drain camera with pack-out compatibility. So right off the bat, pack-out compatibility, am I right? Designed for facilities' plumbing needs, this diagnostic solution is built to inspect 1.5 to 4-inch pipe up to 75 feet out, significantly improving the drain cleaning process, eliminating the hassles of blind troubleshooting, costly subcontracting, and reduced prolonged downtime. It's got a 7-inch touchscreen and weighs in at only 11.5 pounds. And did I mention it's pack-out compatible? Man, I wish more Milwaukee tools were. But I'm still happy to see this one. It'll be available in Q2 of this year, but no word yet on pricing.
Milwaukee also announced a new pipe diameter tape measure for measuring outer pipe diameters, groove dimensions, or flare dimensions. It's dual-sided printed with both go, no-go gauge and 1/100th markings. It has a 5-point reinforced body that protects against drops, while the storage magnet and keychain loop increase portability. It will arrive in May for $119.97. Moving on to our favorite tool videos of the week, starting over at Tools Tested, where we got part 2 of his best stick screwdriver test, adding a couple more to his extensive list. There's a surprising range of torque between them, and at least one took a staggering 7 hours to charge. Guess which one?
It was the hard. Mr. Tools from Tools and Stuff shared an in-depth review of an outhouse this week. Not sure why, but when he stepped outside, he found a Red Bull soapbox race that was apparently sponsored by Makita's new Mack track for some reason. And yeah, one of the soapbox entries was a pile of Mack track.
No, you don't. He also published another video, and we're not skipping it.
Oh boy.
Because it was an in-depth review of 3 different Makita baby chainsaws. And best of all, I'm in this one. Baby chainsaw time! That is the Makita 12-volt, 18-volt LXD, and 40-volt XGT baby chainsaws. And while I can only recommend that you buy, obviously, all 3 of them, he tests them to help you pick out the one that is best for you.
I was in that video too.
No one cares.
Yeah, fair point. Moving on to Pro Tool reviews, where they unbox and test out the new DeWalt XR 20-volt Max DCS 590 circular saw to see if that new XR designation really means more power when used with their more power batteries, also called XR.
Taylor over at Tinker with Tools knows that not everyone needs a $300 pro drill, so he takes a closer look at the new Skill brushless 20-volt compact multi-head drill driver that includes a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, a locking hex bit holder, a right angle and offset attachment.
Over on Last Best Tool, Doc found a flashlight / 296 watt-hour power station / expanding area light thing, and it looks absolutely ridiculous, and I kind of want one now.
And finally, over at Torque Test Channel, the Torque Testing Trio turned their torque testing towards 3/8-inch impact wrenches. Specifically, the really tiny compact versions available, and a few of them are freakishly small, but still have big power.
All right, yes, Torque Test Channel did test tiny impact wrenches last Friday, but on Sunday, they did something rather questionable, and I feel like we need to address it here on the show. You see, Todd over at Project Farm published a fantastic head-to-head of various air dusters ranging from $26 to $90, and as you'd assume, it was informative and great fun. Good job, Todd. And then only 1 hour later, TTC published another air duster video. I think TTC got jealous, copied the whole thing, ordered a bunch of blowers, got them, tested them, wrote the episode, shot it, edited, and published it in just 1 hour.
That's not how that works.
I mean, wow, TTC. I know you made a part 1 like 2 months prior and hit millions of views, but this somehow still feels like blatant plagiarism.
Nope.
All joking aside, both videos are fantastic. Both channels are the current peak of YouTube tool testing, and I hope you guys watch them both.
Moving on to fun stuff, we have another Platinum Tool deal this week from Ohio Power Tool, but we also want to share something new coming to our production crew this Monday night.
Now, every week, our Patreon members join us for a private members-only stream on Monday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. During that live stream, we're going to be playing a quick game each week with 2 random members, and the winner will walk away with a mystery box containing 1 power tool, a ton of swag, and a $50 gift card.
And while the tools are likely more valuable than the gift card today, we're raising the value of the gift card every week based on how many new members we have.
Yeah, so the production crew is a way for you guys to support Sarah and I as we continue to build the Great Big Car Show and Tool Show here on YouTube. And now you could get a shot at winning prizes every week as well.
We'll then share the game and prizes right here on the Tool Show and the Great Big Car Show every week so you can see who won and what they got.
All right, so if you like to support our shows, be be a part of the production crew that chooses the videos we feature, and get a shot at playing a game and winning prizes, head over to our Patreon, which we'll link in the description, get joined, and be sure to hop on Monday nights for your chance to win.
Okay, let's get to our Platinum Tool deal from Ohio Power Tool. This week, our exclusive code will get you $50 off a $100 purchase or more of anything from Rigid, which is perfect for all of you guys attending the WET show this week. Just remember that the code will work for only the first 25 people who use it, so move fast.
All right, the code you need is TS12353. Good luck.
I want to thank REDTIGER and Ohio Power Tool for sponsoring our show and our community of tool fans.
If you can, do something kind for someone this weekend, and Sarah and I will see you next week. Or on Monday if you join the production crew. Hope to see you there.